In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change the language on your PS5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to change the language on the PlayStation 5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Firstly, navigate to the settings. From your home screen, move up to the top row and select the gear icon, which represents the settings. Once selected, proceed by clicking on it. Next, locate and select System. Look for the system icon, usually a square or cube shape. Click on it to proceed to the system settings. Within the system settings, scroll down to the fourth option. Navigate down 3 times to reach the fourth option and select it. Now, choose the language option from the list presented. Here, you'll find various language options available. Select your preferred language, for instance, English United Kingdom, or any other language you desire. Once selected, press the back button. Your PS5's language will now be updated to your chosen preference. Changing the language can alleviate any inconvenience caused by using a language you don't understand. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Thank you for watching. For additional tech insights, visit mediamagnetguide.com.